High-speed cameras and laser scanners meticulously grade the surface quality of the structural steel.
We need to verify the alignment against the Zone B schematics.
Confirmed. The robotic arm requires a micro adjustment on the Z-axis.
Ensuring structural integrity is paramount. The digital micrometer confirms the chassis beam's dimension, while the laser tracks.
The 50,000-ton hydraulic press descends onto the titanium aluminum alloy, beginning the formation of the flanker's The robotic sensor array performs an in-situ measurement, ensuring the anti-corrosion layer meets specifications. The forward fuselage is slowly maneuvered by a specialized robotic transporter towards the midsection.
Flanker's nervous system requires absolute precision. Here, human expertise meets the unerring accuracy of the automated scanners.
The massive N-101 radar unit for the Sukhoi Su-27 requires precise alignment before technicians integrate it into the weapon system network.
The interference levels are minimal, right within tolerance.
Excellent.
The N001 integration is confirmed.
All connections secure. Green light across the board.
Confirmed. Ready for integration.
Ensure the AL31F mounts are perfectly aligned before the robotics engage. We need millimeter precision here. Clear on the hydraulics.
Fuel lines secured. We are proceeding with the ECU connections now.
The chassis is moved into this large, low-temperature, stress-relieving oven. Thermal cameras monitor
All parameters confirmed. The scan matches the CAD model perfectly.
Final dispatch authorization is complete upon signature.
Understood. I'll confirm the load security.
All right, watch your spacing on the left. Clear on the right, bring it back slowly.
Confirmed, we are ready for the lift.
Process B is now fully operational and ready for customer usage.
This industrial-grade chassis maneuvers through heavily rutted roads, demonstrating high ground clearance and the durability of the
Verify connection status on port 3.
Confirmed. Green indicators solid.
Proceeding with sequence start.
Demonstrating its pivotal role in ground support logistics, the chassis provides a stable foundation for the massive guided missile.
See the chassis into the simulated storm.
Check the welds right here on the main frame. They look stressed.
Noted. I'll add it to the report.